Hello friends, in this video we will looking for Speak Cell. Speak Cell is a feature provided by Excel where system will speak text written in cell one by one. Means whatever text is written in the sheet that Excel will speak for you. Okay. So what can you do with this? We can verify that soft copy with the hard copy if the text is written in the paper or somewhere, or we can just tick mark our hard copy stuff, right? So that we can validate that everything written on hard copy is same as in our soft copy in our Excel, right? So let's see how we can do this. First of all, speak cell is a hidden feature or hidden option, and we need to enable it, or we need to bring it in front so that we can use this option for our working, right? So for enabling, we need to go to file and here option. We can see quick access toolbar here, and in this toolbar we need to select all commands option. So when we click on this all command option, system will enable all the commands available as hidden. We need to just search speak cell option here. So we will just move our cursor to S for speak cell. I need to search this. Wait a minute. Yes, here it is. So we can see that we have five different options: speak cell stop, speaking cell, speak cell by column, speak cell by row, or speak cell by on enter. For now, we just add all these options for our understanding. We will cover one by one all these options with example, right? So just click on OK. When I click on OK, I can see that all five options are being added here, right? So now these options are available to me for accessing. Okay, fine. So let's start with using of these options. Like we have one data here, class 5th students part, and there we can see that no data is surrounding, no text is surrounding with this. So when I click on this speak cell,
Class 5th students marks.
I hope you are hearing this. Class 5th students marks is coming. Again, we will click on this.
Class 5th students marks.
Fine. Okay. So now we will select this table. So before starting on speaking this text, we will just check that which option is being selected. There are two options available with us: speak cell by column and speak cell by rows. If we want to read according on the basis of column by column, one system will complete this column, then again on this column, on this column, on this column, like this. Then we will select this speak cell by column. But if we want to read the text on the basis of rows, we will choose this speak cell by rows. Okay, so right now it is selected as speak cell by rows, and we will just click on this speak cell option.
Roll no. Student name.
It is reading
Maths.
maths,
Science.
science,
Total.
total.
Percentage. 1. Sumit. 92.
So we can verify Sumit's
95.
marks in our hard copy,
187.
whether 92 and 95
37.40.
are written on in hard
2.
copy or not.
Vikas. 72.
Vikas
52.
72, 52,
124.
likewise. If we want to
24.80.
stop this, we
3.
can click on this stop
Raghav.
button, right? One more option is available here, that is speak cell by enter text, right? So if we want to speak cell as and when we click on enter, we will choose this speak cell by
Turned off speak on enter.
turned on. We need to,
Cells will now be spoken on enter.
right? It is enabled now. So if I click on like if I type like Pune,
Pune.
it is reading it Pune, India,
India.
right? Excel workbook,
Excel workbook.
like this. Okay, so this is the option of reading on the basis of pressing enter. So we have 5 options: read cell, speak cell, stop speaking, speak cell by columns, or speak cell by row, or speak cell by enter. We covered all these 5 options, and right. So that's all for speak cell. Please use them as according to your convenience. I hope you have understood all these options, all these features of speak cell by rows, columns, or enter option. And that's all for this video. If you have any comments, any doubts on this, then please post a comment. I will surely clarify that one, right? Thank you. Bye bye.